Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a crochet rose flower. For this I am using the 3-ply wool with a 3 mm hook. For making petal, first of all I will make the magic ring or magic circle. Then chain 1, chain 2 and 3. 3 chains considered as first DC. Then I will make 10 more DCs in the same magic circle. Total of 11 DCs with the starting 3 chains. 3, 4, 5, and all of 11 DCs in the same magic circle. I will show you after completing all 11 DCs in the same circle. Now slip stitch in the 3rd chain. So the round 1 is completed. Make chain 1 and SC in the 1st stitch. Then 2 HDCs in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now I will make 2 DCs in next 5 stitches. 2 DCs in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2 DCs in one stitch. 2 DCs in the next stitch like 1, 2, and the same in 3 more stitches. So we have total 10 DCs. Now HDC in the next 2 stitches, 1 HDC and the second HDCs. Now SC in the last stitch. So our round 2 is completed. Now slip stitch in the first stitch. You can see the petal shape. Now chain 1, SC in the next 4 stitches. Then I will make chain 3 and SC in the next stitch. So a cute little loop is formed here. Then chain 3 and SC in the next stitch. I will make same 5 more times. Then I will SC in the last remaining 3 stitches. 1 SC, second SC and 3rd SC. Now I will slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1 and get the yarn here. Now cute little petal is ready. Now make as many petals as you want. I will use 7 to 8 petals in each flower. After making all the petals, secure their ends, sew in their ends. Now you will need the hot glue gun to fix these petals to make a flower. First take one petal and make a shape. Fold. Apply the glue like this and be careful while using the hot glue gun, as you all know that. Now I will attach the second petal. Apply some glue and secure this. If you find any difficulty in making the shape of the flower, you can first attach the pin, then glue them. Now adjust the petals as you go and secure them, so it will give you a look of a pretty rose flower. You can use as many petals as you want. The more petal will give you a big flower, and the less, if you use less petals, it will form a small flower. I'm using 7 petals. You can make in any colors. Now apply some glue and secure this. Now you can see the flower is almost completed. I will put some more petals here. If you use the smaller hook, the petal size will be small, and if you use a big hook, the petal will be big. You can adjust the hook according to your yarn, or you can adjust your size of flower by adjusting the wool and the hook size. Now you can see that a beautiful flower is ready. See the look. Now I will repeat this with the remaining petals. As you can see, how beautiful are these. You can use 2 colors in one rose, like making starting part with the one color and the remaining part with the second color.